friends. How are you? We are good. Welcome to Speak English for Beginners. Are you ready for today's story? Let's begin.
Kian, before moonrise, you must open the old greenhouse.
Why me, Grandpa? What's inside? Dad, sit down. You don't look well.
Promise me first, then I can rest. We're taking him now, no arguments.
Grandpa, what promise are we supposed to keep?
The greenhouse, don't let tonight pass.
I promise, Grandpa. I really promise.
Will Grandpa explain the truth before he falls asleep again?
Grandpa, what's in the greenhouse?
Something your mother needs to see.
Me?
He needs rest, but short words are okay.
Moonrise, don't miss moonrise.
Why would Grandpa say the greenhouse is for Mom, and why tonight? Do you think there's treasure inside? Not treasure like money, something more important. Then why didn't Mom tell us about it? Maybe because it hurts too much. That greenhouse belonged to your Grandma and Grandpa.
Then why is it locked and forgotten? After Grandma passed away, I couldn't go back there. So Grandpa wants us to open it for you?
If we're doing this, we go now.
It looks scary from here.
It used to be beautiful.
Then tonight we find out why Grandpa needed it opened.
It's stuck hard.
Will the key still work?
Only if the gate actually opens first.
This place really has been waiting a long time.
Stand back, it's moving!
I thought it would never open. Something's definitely still in there. This has Grandpa's handwriting, and this flower looks like a tiny moon. Moon Lily Journal. So that's what tonight is about.
It says, the last moon lily must be planted before moonrise, or the promise will wait another year.
Another year may be too late for him.
Dad was still trying to finish this after all these years.
Then where is the last moon lily?
That sounds pretty, but not helpful. Songs, remember? Maybe a music box? Or somewhere your grandma used to sing.
Then we search every place in here that feels personal.
Is Mom remembering something she buried for years? Grandma used to sit here and sing while Grandpa worked. Did you sing with her too?
Only when I was brave enough. Then maybe the clue starts here.
There's something here.
A secret compartment? Dad and Grandpa loved hidden drawers.
And this one still has another riddle.
Wind sings, maybe the old gazebo?
Then why didn't Grandpa just say gazebo?
There used to be chimes there.
Because Grandpa likes making promises sound like adventures.
This place feels like it's listening. Then let's listen back.
Grandma made these.
If the song sleeps here, something has to be hidden nearby.
This has to be it. Please work, please work.
Grandpa didn't trust me with this for nothing.
It opened. This was my mother's music box. Then the seed really does sleep in the song.
That means the flower is inside this somehow.
Then we need to make it sing.
I haven't heard this tune since I was little.
Please play. Look, the bottom panel is moving. There's a hidden compartment. It's so small.
It says, plant only after water returns. So we found the bulb, but we still can't use it. Then the greenhouse needs to live again first.
This wheel hasn't moved in years. Grandpa wrote, the stars will turn the water back.
How do stars turn water?
Maybe he hid another part with a star mark.
That carving is on the treehouse ladder.
You think Grandpa hid the pump lever there?
He loved making every answer a little harder than it needed to be.
Then let's hope the ladder still likes children.
Slowly, both of you.
The wood is creaking too much. We're close, don't panic.
If it feels unsafe, you come down immediately.
Kian, the boards are moving.
I have it. Just back toward the ladder.
Please don't let this break.
One careful step at a time.
Dad!
I've got you. You're okay.
We almost lost more than time. Then let's make that scare count for something. If Grandpa measured this right, it should lock.
It matches perfectly. Please work.
Here goes everything.
It turned, so why is nothing happening?
There's a blockage somewhere down the line.
So we're not done.
Then we clear the pipes. We didn't come this far to stop.
Follow the pipeline from the pump. It curves under the rose bed. The dirt is packed like stone.
Then we keep digging until the water remembers where to go.
The blockage is bigger than I thought. These vines are holding on like they don't want the garden back. Then we pull harder. For Grandpa.
I should have come back here years ago. Dad was trying to hold this place together alone.
Mom, we can still do it now.
Then we do it together. Mom, I think this is for you. For Elina when she's ready. Do you want to open it now? I think tonight is the only time I can. He wrote, I kept growing moon lilies because your mother loved them, and because I hoped one day you would return without pain.
Grandpa did all this for Grandma and you?
And I never saw how hard he kept trying.
It's working! The line is clear.
We're finally in time.
Then let's plant Grandpa's promise. Very carefully, this flower waited longer than any of us knew.
Come on, little moon lily. Please bloom for Grandpa.
That storm came fast. If the moon disappears, will the flower fail?
Grandpa wanted moonrise, not just planting.
Then we still have more to do.
Hold the brace steady.
The wind's getting stronger.
If we can guide even one clean beam of moonlight, it may be enough.
Then we don't stop now. Mom, these mirrors used to hang by the flowers, right?
Your grandma used them to spread candlelight.
Then maybe we can spread moonlight too.
That may be the smartest idea tonight. Angle this one toward the roof opening.
Like this? It's moving closer to the bulb.
Then keep going. We're building moonlight by hand.
Grandpa Harun, the family is here.
Tell me, did you find it?
We found the bulb and planted it, Grandpa. But the storm is fighting us.
Promises are strongest when they're hardest to keep. Elina, your mother wanted the moon lilies to bloom again when you were ready to smile here.
I wasn't ready for so long.
And tonight, we finished the waiting.
Why isn't anything happening? Maybe it needs more time.
The moon won't stay clear forever.
Then maybe there's one last thing missing.
Could the missing piece be Mom herself returning to the greenhouse in love instead of grief?
Grandma used to sing when the buds were stubborn. Every word, I was just afraid to hear it again. Hush, little garden, wake from your sleep. Let your magic bloom promises to keep. I haven't sung this here since I was little. It sounds like the garden knows it.
Look, something's changing.
It moved! It's growing! It's actually growing! Mom?
The promise heard you. Grandpa, look! Your grandmother would have loved this.
It's not fully open yet.
That's all right. I already know the promise was kept.
It's beautiful. It looks like it's made of moonlight.
This is what Grandpa waited for.
And now he doesn't have to wait anymore. I didn't ask you to save a flower. I asked you to bring your mother back to this place with love.
You did, Dad. And the greenhouse isn't lonely anymore. Neither are we.
Tomorrow we replace the broken panes.
And I'll clear the back beds. I want to plant more moon lilies.
Then this place gets a second life, just like us.
You truly kept it alive.
No, Dad, you kept it alive all these years. We only came back to it.
Now it belongs to all of us again.
And it still remembers your song.
A promise is not just words. It is love that keeps walking, even when it hurts.
Thank you for waiting for me. We'll keep this garden alive. Promise kept, Grandpa.